Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to do Subway Surfer's edit on Capcut PC. Open Capcut on your PC and start a new project. Import your Subway Surfer's gameplay video by clicking Import and dragging it to the timeline. First, trim the video to the part you want to edit. Place the playhead at the start and end of the section and use the split tool to cut. Delete the extra clips. Next, add speed effects. Select your clip, choose speed, then pick curve. Select a preset like montage or custom to make the gameplay smooth and dynamic. For transitions, split the clip where you want to change and open transitions. Choose a fast zoom or spin transition to match the Subway Surfer's vibe. To make a split screen, import another clip you want to show. Drag it above the first video on the timeline. Pick a layout such as side by side or top and bottom. Adjust the position and size if needed. This lets two clips play together. After that, you can add a background by going to Media and then Library from there. You can go to Backgrounds and choose a background for your video. When finished, check the preview. If it flows well, click Export, choose your resolution, and export. Thanks for watching.